Seychelles is an archipelago in the Indian Ocean known for its beautiful beaches and diverse cuisine. The food in Seychelles is a fusion of African, French, Indian, and Chinese influences, resulting in a delicious variety of dishes. Here are some popular foods to try when visiting Seychelles. But first, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to Nomad Visas and turn on notifications, so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Grilled fish is a staple in the Seychelles diet, and you'll find various types of fresh fish like red snapper, barracuda, and kingfish. Grilled fish is often seasoned with a mix of spices, such as garlic, ginger, and chili, then served with rice or salad. Octopus Curry. This rich, flavorful curry features tender octopus cooked with a blend of spices, including turmeric, cumin, coriander, and curry leaves. It is typically served with rice. Ladob. This traditional dessert consists of plantains or cassava cooked in coconut milk, sugar, and vanilla. It can be served hot or cold and is a must-try for those with a sweet tooth. Caris Masala, a popular Indian-inspired dish, is a meat or seafood curry made with a blend of spices, including garam masala, garlic, and ginger. It's typically served with rice or chapati. Bouillon Brède. This is a flavorful broth made with green leafy vegetables like morina, pumpkin leaves, or spinach, cooked with fish, meat, or chicken. It's a healthy, light option often enjoyed with rice. Shark Chutney is a traditional and unique dish made by boiling minced shark meat with spices, onions, lime juice, turmeric, and chili. Sausage Rougay is a Creole dish that features sausages cooked in a spicy tomato sauce with onions, garlic, and chili. It's usually served with rice, bread, or chapati. Fruit bat curry, though not for everyone, is an exotic dish made from fruit bat meat cooked in a spicy curry sauce. Fruit bat curry is considered a delicacy in Seychelles and can be found at some local restaurants. Banana fritters is a sweet treat made by deep-frying battered ripe bananas until golden and crispy. They're typically sprinkled with sugar and enjoyed as a snack or dessert. Breadfruit is a starchy fruit that can be prepared in various ways. One popular snack is breadfruit chips, which are thinly sliced and fried until crispy. When visiting Seychelles, be sure to sample these dishes to get a taste of the local cuisine and culture. We hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to leave a comment below if you have any other suggestions or questions. Remember to like and subscribe to Nomad Visas for more travel information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.